Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume using the following link. In this video, I'm going to explain to you one of the important Java interview question. What is the difference between class and object? Very basic Java interview question. If you're a beginner and you started your career, this question is very important and you should know the exact answer. So I'm going to give you the explanation for this. The terms class and object are absolutely related to one another, but each term holds its own distinct meaning. The term class refers to the actual written piece of code in which the class is defined. A class is a static piece of code. I'll be explaining in a short demo, okay, with the code that consists of attributes which don't change during the execution of a program, like the method definition within a class. So class is just a static piece of code, whereas the object is like instance of the class. Please remember this statement: object is an instance of a class. Okay, object is an instance of a class, whereas class is a static piece of code. It just give you an idea, but object is the real instance of the class. Okay, every object must belong to a class. Objects are created and eventually destroyed, so they only leave the program for a limited time. Whenever you create an object using new operator, the object is created and it will be destroyed if it goes out of the scope. An instance of the animal class, I'm giving an example. An instance of the animal class would be a specific animal like lion, cat, camel. So here I told you animal is just a concept, okay, whereas lion, cat and camel, these are the real instance of animal class. These instance of animal class would be called objects. Let's see one more example. I told you class is a static, or just it give you an idea how the object is going to look like. So here we have a class called student with name, roll number, set name, roll number. Okay, set name and set roll number. Okay, so these are the different objects, say Jenna, John, Maria, James and their roll number. So this is a class. It just give you details. It just give you an idea how exactly your objects are going to be. Using this class information, I'm going to create an object in Java. Okay, and I want to give you another example. I am person. Okay, so this is a class and these are our objects. Okay, so let's see a Java example so that you can understand in a better way. So this is our class. Okay, Java class. So this is a class, employee class object demo, and I have two attributes here, employee number and name, and I have getters and setters, and I have a single method. So I'm going to create two person here, John and Adams. Okay, and I'm going to give their name, set the name John Lee and Adams Lee. Okay, John and Adams, and their number, employee number. Okay, so this is the class. Okay, using the new operator, I'm creating two different objects. Okay, these are all instance. Okay, and they have their own attributes. Let me debug, then you will understand in a better way. Okay, so let me debug it. So I'm debugging it, so it comes here. So I'm going to create John object. Okay, and I'm setting it. Now you can see John has its own attributes. Employee name is John Lee, employee number is 1234. So this is one object I have created. Using this object, I'm just calling a method. Can you display the elements? So it has displayed those two attributes that I've set. So I'm going to create one more object called Adams, and I'm going to set those attributes. Okay, this is completely mutually exclusive. Okay, so this employee name is different from John's employee name. He has his own attributes and Adams has his own attributes. Employee number is different. So I'm just telling, can you print this? Yeah, I printed it. So this is a class, and I have created two objects out of this class using the new operator in Java. This is very important Java interview question. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.